Tornado Watch number 117 remains in effect until 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Berkeley, Charleston, Clarendon, Dorchester, and Orangeburg, and Charleston Harbor. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Have you observed The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lawrence County in upstate South Carolina, Greenwood County in upstate South Carolina, until 5:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:43 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles south of Greenwood, or 7 miles northeast of Troy, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Greenwood, 96, Cross Hill, Waterloo, Troy, Lake Greenwood State Park, Lake Greenwood, Greenwood State Park, 96 Historic Site and Promised Land. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Conditions are favorable for the development of brief, weak tornadoes. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Greenwood and Lawrence. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a flood advisory for southeastern Greenville. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Newberry County in central South Carolina, southeastern Edgefield County in central South Carolina, western Lexington County in central South Carolina, central Aiken County in central South Carolina, southeastern Saluda County in central South Carolina, until 5:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:05 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Batesburg-Leesville to near Aiken Mall, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Aiken, North Augusta, Lexington, Batesburg-Leesville, Aiken Mall, New Ellenton, Ridge Spring, USC Aiken, Fair Island State Park, Citizens Park, Aiken Municipal Airport, Gloverville, Aiken State Park, Graniteville, Burnetown, Chapin, Gilbert, Summit, Little Mountain, and Monetta. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 6 and 50. Interstate 520 in South Carolina near mile marker 23. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central South Carolina. For your protection, seek shelter inside a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Newberry, South Carolina. The National Weather Service in Greenville. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a tornado warning for Calhoun County in central South Carolina, west central Clarendon County in central South Carolina, southwestern Sumter County in central South Carolina, north central Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, southeastern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 6:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:22 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near St. Matthews, or 9 miles north of Brookdale, moving east at 55 miles an hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near St. Matthews around 6:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Point update, 6:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Fort Moss, Paxville, Pinewood, Privateer, and Kane, Savannah. This includes Interstate 26 between mile markers 136 and 145. Tornadoes are nearly impossible to see at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Immediately move to an interior room or closet on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. This tornado warning includes portions of Lake Marion. Boaters, move to shore and take shelter on the lowest floor of the closest sturdy building.
Doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Effingham County in southeastern Georgia, Beaufort County in southeastern South Carolina, Hampton County in southeastern South Carolina, Calhoun County in southeastern South Carolina, Dorchester County in southeastern South Carolina, Jasper County in southeastern South Carolina, until 7:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:22 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lodge to Egypt, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Walterboro, Ridgeland, Springfield, Hampton, St. George, Yemassee, Lake Warren State Park, Dorchester, Colleton, Barnville, Estill, Guyton, Cottageville, Harleyville, and Brunson. This warning includes Interstate 26 between mile markers 171 and 187. Interstate 95 in South Carolina between mile markers 19 and 85. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Report damage directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 1-888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so. The National Weather Service.
Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a tornado warning for portions of Calhoun County in southeastern South Carolina.
I think this is a tornado emergency.
Southeastern South Carolina until 7:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Roundel, moving east at 50 miles an hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible.
Holy shit.
Locations impacted include Somerville, Giffens Ferry State Park,
Oh my God.
Cottageville, Roundel, Giffens, Jedburgh, and Knightsville. This warning includes Interstate 26 between mile markers 189 and 190. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Georgetown County in northeastern South Carolina, southwestern Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, south central Marion County in northeastern South Carolina, southeastern Williamsburg County in northeastern South Carolina, until 8:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bono, or 7 miles northeast of Monk's Corner, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Myrtle Beach, Georgetown, Deborah Dew Colony, Surfside Beach, Pawleys Island, Socastee, Yawkey South Island, Springmead Pier, Garden City, Merle's Inlet, Winnip Bay Entrance, Myrtle Beach Airport, Andrews, North Santee, Rems, PD Crossroads, Oatland, Nesmith, Bucksport, and Sampit. People attending Georgetown Memorial Outdoor Tent Facility should seek safe shelter immediately. A tornado watch remains in effect until noon Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern South Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Doubleheader. Yeah, boy.
The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Beaufort County in southeastern South Carolina, Charleston County in southeastern South Carolina, Calhoun County in southeastern South Carolina, Berkeley County in southeastern South Carolina, Dorchester County in southeastern South Carolina, until 8:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:41 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southwest of Jamestown to near Magnolia Gardens to near Dale, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include North Charleston, Mount Pleasant, Somerville, Goose Creek, Hanahan, Beaufort, Monk's Corner, McClellanville, Edisto Beach, Fort Sumter, downtown Charleston, West Ashley, Daniel Island, Naval Weapons Station Charleston, and Johns Island. This warning includes Interstate 26 between mile markers 197 and 221. Interstate 5, 26 between mile markers 11 and 31. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. This is an extremely dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across the area. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Report damage directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 1-888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so. Tornado flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged. A tornado warning remains in effect until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Berkeley County. At 7:46 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Old. Service in Charleston has issued a special marine warning for Charleston Harbor until 9:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:47 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 nautical miles north of Crab Bank to 10 nautical miles northwest of St. Helena Sound, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Wapacut, Castle Pinckney, Crab Bank, Charleston Harbor entrance. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. The National Severe Weather Information. The tornado warning for Dorchester County is canceled. The immediate risk for tornadoes has ended.